We're Hayden and Aaron, and on January 3rd, 2020, we headed for the airport with everything we own packed into 2 suitcases and 2 backpacks. We're off to the beautiful country of Mexico.
We're doing it! Woo!
Bye, USA!
Adios! Getting ready to get checked in. We're here in Alaska, flying off to Mexico.
We started our travel day with an obligatory beer and vegan breakfast burrito before boarding our flight to Puerto Vallarta.
Trying to see if somebody else shows up. Otherwise, we've got a whole row to ourselves.
Summer scene has nothing to do. Works up.
Yes! We gotta break out of our prison.
This place has not been what we wanted.
No.
It's like being at Disneyland, only worse.
But not fun. Like, we're not having fun. We had a great time at Disneyland. We're breaking out of here. Even though this place was basically free, we don't care. We're out.
We've elected to get an Airbnb in town.
Yeah. If you're here with a big family and you got a bunch of kids and you want to feel safe and you never want to leave the resort for 7 days, this place is great. But that's just not our style. Like, they wouldn't even let us leave. They were like, "Where are you going? Why are you going there? What are you doing there?"
Yeah, it was.
We were just like, "What?"
It was
like,
very uncomfortable.
no. So many complaints we have. So we out. Deuces.
Breaking out of here.
We're almost free. It's been a hassle to get out. They won't let us leave. We're in prison, but we're so close to getting out of here. Getting to our Airbnb where we get to just be ourselves.
We made it to our new house.
Whew.
This place is super
it.
cute, and it's tiny, but it's tranquilo.
I'm already happier. I'm hottie and hot. I'm hottie. Huh?
You're a hottie.
I'm a hottie. I'm hot and sweaty from carrying all that luggage up the stairs, but I mean, just like the aura here is just completely different. I feel like I can sit in this chair and relax and be okay. And now I feel like we're in Mexico. So we got here to Taco Revolucion and we ordered tacos. One of them is refritos, refried beans. Another one is hibiscus flour and onions, and then a soy chorizo. I've been putting the mild salsa on those, and just fantastic. Goes great with a Corona. We're in Mexico, baby.
So they actually straight up fried the beans. I guess that's what refried means, but it's like actually fried in a pan. It's so good. I could eat this every day forever. Hey guys, I just quickly wanted to tell you about a new app that we've fallen in love with. It's called A Billion Veg. It has been an amazing tool for us on our travels because it locates all the vegan food near you in 105 countries around the world. It's really easy to add a new review. Simply search for the restaurant, see if the dish is already listed. If not, add a new one like we did for La Pitaya in Mexico City. Plus, every time you enter a review from a restaurant, they donate $1 to one of their animal welfare partners. We just visited Charlie's Acres in Sonoma, California, so we'll send them our $10 donation today. It's that easy. Plus, there are no limits to how many reviews you can write. So for travelers like us, we'll be able to help animals in a big way, simply by doing what we already love, eating food. To learn more, visit our website, veganvoyagers.com/ABV. We'll leave a link below in the description. Thank you so much. Now back to the amazing vegan cooking class we took in Puerto Vallarta.
One of the things we really want to do in every country that we visit is experience authentic local cuisine, local culture, and so we're off to Cookin Vallarta, which is going to give us a vegan cooking class today.
First thing on our food tour that we're doing today is going to the local markets where we're gonna buy all the supplies to cook later back at Enrique's house. So it should be really cool. They're gonna do some vegan food for us, which is awesome. It's not an all vegan cooking class, so if you're not vegan, you can still come and enjoy the experience. We're making tacos today and guacamole and some salsa, so it should be really neat. We're looking forward to it. So this is only one of 3 markets in the city that have survived what he called globalization, because they have a lot of like Walmart and Costco and Sam's Club have kind of come and taken over. So we're getting the really local experience today.
I don't know what anybody else is doing, but I got tortilla dough.
Poblanos. The last part of a fruit to get ripe, it would be where the stem is, because the stem is what holds the avocado. This one right here doesn't have it, meaning that it came off already because of the ripeness of it, okay?
So one of the things we've learned today is that the ancho chilies, they can actually be used as kind of like a weapon of war. When they're dried, they would line them out outside the town and light them on fire, and they would fill the air with the smoke, and people would start choking and sneezing and coughing, and it's a weapon of destruction, basically.
So we just went through the market and he taught us how to choose the best produce, which I thought was really cool, and we learned a bunch of things that we didn't know, including avocados, aguacate. So the ones that are round mean that they have a bigger seed inside, but the ones that are shaped like a pear, or like he said, a testicle, which is the indigenous word where it comes from, a testicle, they have smaller pits, which means they have more meat in them.
The more you know.
Really cool.
You want better guacamole? Or more
Get
guacamole?
the testicles.
So we've come to Chef Enrique's house. He's invited us into his home, and that's where we're going to do the cooking part of the demonstration. I'm excited. It's all set up super cute in here. We're going to make tacos.
All of the tequila is mexicana, but not all of the mezcal is tequila.
Cheers, babe.
Sorry.
What are you doing, babe?
Grinding up some things. Garlic, salt, cinnamon, allspice, cumin, seeds, black pepper.
So we have a nice little fresh salad of nopales, jicama, and pineapple with, looks like, some chili powder on top of it. So everything in this is raw, and even the cactus, which I've never had raw before. It's actually really good. Everything's really fresh and delicious.
The corn is a little bit different than we're used to. It's a little bit more crunchy. And I think you just grilled it straight on the barbecue, so all the moisture left it, but it's like crunchy and really good rolled in the lime juice. Yeah. So we get to eat zucchini tacos. So I'm chopping up the zucchini right now. Enrique's wife taught everyone how to make tortillas from the tortilla dough that we bought at the market. We each got to make the tortillas we planned on eating with our tacos. The tacos were absolutely delicious, and the zucchini was cooked to perfection.
Overall, delicious. I'm here with Chef Enrique, head of Cookin Vallarta here in Puerto Vallarta, and I just want to say thank you for having us today.
Thank you very much for joining us. Thank you very much for being here. Cookin Vallarta is an effort to share with the traveler who visits Puerto Vallarta and Mexico again, not only about the food, but also about the culture of my country through the cuisine. We want to be worthy ambassadors of the Mexican people. Right? That because I love my country. and I want to share it with everybody who comes. And the best asset that I can share with anyone is the food that we cuisine in Mexico.
We had such a great time at the cooking class, and now we're just back at the Airbnb having a little cheeky beer out on the patio here. And we're going to dinner at a tapas bar, Hawaiian and tapas bar. It's not gonna be Mexican food, but it sounds delicious. They've got vegan options, so that'll be nice. But otherwise, we had so much fun today. It was such a great day. We're really enjoying this Airbnb. It's got the cutest little, look at that. Look at this cute little rooftop. We're loving it here.
So we came to dinner at Destino, which is actually an Italian restaurant, but they have vegan cheese options here, including vegan risotto, which we ordered, which we haven't even found in the US pretty much anywhere. But we've now had hibiscus, in Spanish it's jamaica, and we've had it now 3 ways. So we can have it in a juice, we've had it grilled in tacos, and now we're having it on bread as a jam, and it's absolutely delicious. We're all about the hibiscus flower.
Ooh, that smells good.
Super delicious. It's really rich and creamy. It's got the rice is cooked perfectly. The mushrooms are really good. I love a good risotto. This is definitely way up there in quality.
So I ordered the bruschetta without any cheese, but they actually substituted tofu on there. And I feel like the produce here, just in the couple days that we've already been in Mexico, the produce tastes so much better. The tomatoes here like taste like tomatoes as opposed to just the flavorless pesticides we eat in the US. So overall, we're super impressed with the food here so far. It's delicious. My feet stink.
Well, I mean, we've been going for...
It's so long. It's
like,
7:30. It's 12 hours. We finally made it into our room about 87 hours later after a lot of bullshit.
We got dropped off at the wrong place for check-in, and then we had to sit and wait.
They were going to try to put us in twin beds.
And our keys don't work. We open the door, and sure enough,
There's a person standing there. There's no hand soap. So we need to find food. We need to find alcohol. And we need to wait for our bags to get delivered.
Yeah.